got it picked open. So now we're gonna go ahead and decode it. So number 1 is a 3. Number 2 is a 6. Number 3 is a 7. 4 is a 6. 5. Okay, zoom in real quick. 5 is a 5, and 6 is a. Let's see what this one. 6 is a 2. So reset the lock back. Sorry, I keep saying the lock. I mean the Lishi. Reset it, and I already cut my key on my HPC Blitz, and let's try it out. Just like that. So with this little guy, you know, you're able to reproduce keys that are lost. You could even pick the units open, gain access, and like I said, once you gain access, once you turn that cylinder, you can go ahead and decode it right away and go to your van or your car, cut the key up. Saves you a whole bunch of time, and you know, the faster you do the job, the faster you can go to the next one and make more money. As you can see, this one's the SC4 for the longer. It's for this type of key right here, the SC4, you can see right there. And they obviously make another one for the SC1 application, which is a shorter key. This is normally for a 5-pin, this is for like a 6-pin. And then this one over here, this one's for the quick set. The KW1 5-pin quick set for your majority of the residential locks out there, and it works the same exact way. These little guys, like I said, they're worth the buy if you're a locksmith. If you know, you work in the lock industry, this will make your life a whole lot easier. It really it expedites everything, man. Honestly, like I said, a bunch of locks I did in Hollywood, I knocked them out not even in half a day. I did it quickly. And you can save your customers some money, and you know, you can make some pretty good dough once you master these little guys. And what I like about them is it's pretty much the same thing as these automotive ones. They work the same way. If you know how to use these automotive picks, so the traditional Lishi picks for cars, this is for Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. If you know how to use these, you'll definitely learn how to use these guys. There are some bit of exceptions when you're picking, let's say, quick sets, and sometimes they have like little mushroom pins and whatnot. There are some techniques you need to learn in order to pick those over, but I will release a video soon on how to defeat that. Even on some SC1 applications, I noticed that there are like some mushroom pins or some specialty pins on the top that, you know, like when you pick it, it picks you over to a fault set. There's ways to bypass it with these Lishi tools, and it's pretty neat. I don't even think I'll ever go back to picking. Well, I mean, I'll still pick no matter what, you know, but it's always good to keep this in your arsenal. It'll definitely give you more options to bypass, because as a locksmith, you have to have multiple entry methods, you know, not just rely on picking. You got to have multiple ways to be able to get into a property or bypass a lock, and adding this to your tools definitely will make you more professional, more efficient, quicker, and you know, the quicker, the more professional you are, the more money you'll make, really. So here you go, guys. This is the SC4. This is the quick set one, and there's obviously one more that I don't have yet. I'm waiting for it to arrive. They're definitely a win in my book. You're, like I said, a locksmith. Get them. They're worth the money.